Alright, Najam, welcome to our second speaking simulation test. Okay, there will be two parts, and the first part will be consisting of 3 questions.
Okay.
And for each questions, there will be 60 seconds for you to respond. And
For each?
Yes, for each.
Okay.
And then I'll give you 5 seconds to prepare.
5 seconds?
Yes,
really?
only.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the second part, there will be 2 questions only, and there will be 90 seconds for you to respond, and 10 seconds to prepare. So, number 1 for part 1, please describe this picture. Yeah, I'll give you 5 seconds to prepare. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Your 60 seconds starts now.
So in this,
Show me the
So in this picture, there are so many things, such as like there's the soft.
This
And
is
there's
something on.
the first I want to tell you that there's a tree, and also there's the supporter ball.
Round. So it's already 2 for Chelsea for the home and 1 for the guest. But suddenly, when Liverpool want to attack Chelsea, a dog came into the field and the referee told the game to be paused to take this dog away. Here we have Liverpool fan that
And also,
Alright, time is up. Thank you. Alright, now let's come to our second questions for 60 seconds. This one. Prepare? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Your 60 seconds start now.
so I ever watched a sporting event once in my school. Actually, it was when I was in the 2nd grade of junior high school. So my school held like a sport event, and it was a football and basketball event. So I watched the event with my friends.
MotoGP because there is Mandalika things and football, of course. Football.
Okay.
Actually, I don't have account to watch F1, but I watch it. but because
We will share this video, yeah?
really.
It's okay.
Okay. I'm a big fan of F1. Maybe if I because F1 is they do it in Europe and Americas. I only watch it and
Time's up.
that's
Alright, now let's come to the last question for part 1, yeah? Some people enjoy team sports. Others prefer to simply exercise by themselves. Which do you prefer? Give your opinions and reason to support it. Okay, 5 seconds to prepare. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your 60 seconds starts now.
Than the team sport, because I have my reason. I prefer exercise by myself because first I can enjoy my quality time of myself, and also I can choose what kind of sport or what kind of exercise I want to do, and also and I can focus on myself during the exercise, and also I can take a rest more long than become a part of team sport. And also I like to exercise by myself.
I've almost lost it all because I have my team is bad. Actually, I don't know why. I think I'm bad too, but I have a transition with my friends, so I guess I prefer.
Take a rest,
Alright, time is up.
But if I'm watching the sports, I'm going to the team sport.
First questions. Question for part 1. Now let's, and I'll give you 10 seconds to prepare. Yeah, I will read it first. A friend of yours wants to get a second college degree and would like your advice. your friends is considering attending a small local school instead of expensive, well-known university. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this idea? 10 seconds to prepare. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ready? Your 90 seconds starts now.
So, if my friend want to get a sehari-hari degree, and if he considering attend small school instead of expensive, so I have some of my reason opinion of as advantages and disadvantages. So the advantages is
I would rather advise her or him to go into attending small school that doesn't really cost expensive, because it's still, you still get the degree, although it's not from top-notch school, but it's still worth it for me. But you know, local small school tend to people think that it's what you graduate from that thing, you're not graduate from here. But I guess it's still okay considering that you still get a degree from it.
and or maybe the disadvantages these are, and also the advantages maybe
30 seconds.
For advantages, if you go to a international blah 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 top-notch school, of course everyone would like, oh, I graduate from it. Everyone, it's going to be a wow, you graduate from it, blah. And the thing is, they like you more if you got a degree from a top-notch school.
or maybe kind of bad compared to expensive one, because the expensive one.
Alright, then alright.
My brain just worked when I just.
Yeah. So this is actually the real skills of you,
Yeah.
yeah? You see the questions
Yeah.
on spot. Alright then, the last questions for 90 seconds, I will read it first. The principal at a local high school is considering adding cooking classes to replace some traditional science classes. She wants to educate all young people about eating healthy foods. I am a member of a school board. Tell me what you think about this idea and try to convince me to agree with you.
Wait, what kind of traditional?
It doesn't specify.
So this principal ID might be have a pro and cons on it, considering so many people that already comfortable with the old traditional science classes, but when you try to adding cooking classes and replace that thing, maybe some people would not like it, because I do think cooking class is really important.
As a member of the school board, I prefer to disagree for adding the cooking class to replace some traditional science class, because not a lot of people, not some people, not a lot of students like to cook and like to eat healthy food.
Want them to be able to cook,
Yeah.
but if you take a look at this thing in traditional science classes, it's still going to be better for, I guess, because they affect more than cooking classes.
And also, if they fail for this class, it will be
Alright. Thank you very much.
That's all. That's
That's all? Okay then, time's up. Thank you. Please call for
Everyone.
Yeah, everyone.